When you come to collect your e-bike, you'll find the keys for your e-bike in this lockbox. Collect them, and then you can open the frame lock with this key here. Just put it in. It's a lock where you can only take the key out when it's locked. The second key is for a battery. When you turn it down, you can remove the battery and you can bring it home to charge. To put it in, just slide it back the opposite way and lock it. Turn it up to lock and remove the battery. If you press this button here, you can see the level of the battery, and you can turn on the control with the lowest button. With the up and down arrows, you can choose the level of assist. And if you keep pressing on the up button, you turn on the light. You turn off the light by keep pressing on the up button again for a few seconds. The bike has 7 internal gears. That's it, that's our Roadie e-bike. It's a really fun bike to ride, and everything is pretty normal like on every other bike. Have fun!